This was me. Every day, to and from work, around the house, traveling with my family, I was always carrying tons of stuff, from my coffee to craft supplies and diapers and toys. It was a disaster until I discovered the Stackable Caddy Organizer. I used it to get organized across my whole home and make travel easy. Today I'm going to show you 7 ways to get organized with the Stackable Caddy Organizer. Let's get organizing. To get started, I wanted to organize my craft supplies. I'm constantly on the go between home and work, and I take my supplies with me. That is why I love the Stackable Caddy Organizer. It's great for travel, plus organizing at home. So check out what I'm doing here. I like to keep mine organized between categories. So for my paint, I've got one dedicated to my brushes, to my other supplies, and even keeping my paint bottles in. I love that it's clear storage because you can easily see what's inside, and then you have really exciting add-ons like this storage container that allows you to stand your brushes up. Another great add-on is the accessory tray. I love this because you can stack 3 of these right in the side of your caddy. It's great for storing things like gems and glitter and rubber bands and even decorative tape. And on this one, we used our marker storage. So you can easily pick it up and take it out of the caddy, use 1 or 3 because they easily interlock with the dovetail design. Storage has never been so easy for my craft supplies. I can pick it up and go, or I can stack them if I'm low on space. All right, next stop, we are talking about storage for moms. As a mom, I quickly learned how easy it was to forget things at home. So I realized I needed a stash of items that are essential in my car. Well, the Stackable Caddy Organizer is perfect for that. So from storing everything from diapers and wipes to even things like a water bottle and toys, this becomes my emergency mom kit in the car, and it always stays there. Now, also thinking about road trips, right? We know the kids get hungry, they like snacks, and they need activities. So thinking about having a second caddy where you can store things like snacks, even a notebook and pen and some activities so that your kids can stay busy in the car and not bug you. The great part about these is that you can actually take both of them to go so easily by stacking them. There's a lift and lock feature that allows you to stack them and attach them, so it's easy to pick up and go. As a new mom, I quickly realized how important it was to have a first aid kit at home and on the go. I love using the Stackable Caddy Organizer as a first aid kit because I can easily take it with me. It's got clear containers so I can see where everything is, and I can store things like first aid cream, Band-Aids, tweezers. There's plenty of room for anything you could possibly need for any type of accident. And the best part is you can take it to go. I don't know about you, but I always feel like my gift wrapping tools are a constant mess, whether it's for the holidays or for year-round. That is why I love the Stackable Caddy Organizer. It's easy to get organized with all of the supplies that you need, including ribbon. One of my favorite add-ons is the ribbon dispenser. So it comes with these clear pieces that you can insert right into your caddy, and then a bar that goes right there so that you can easily store ribbon like I've done here. It makes it easy to keep it closed and actually pull out the ribbon that you need to use. Again, the clear storage makes it great so the whole family can easily find what they need to wrap the perfect presents. Storage can definitely be challenging when it comes to things like tools and even gardening. The Stackable Caddy Organizer is a perfect solution for both. So think about all the things that come along with a picture frame hanging kit. I love this add-on as the accessory tray because it makes it easy to store your hooks, your nails, and your screws and easily be able to see where they are. When it comes to gardening, it's nice to be able to pick up the caddy and go to wherever you're working in the yard. So from putting things like your pruning tool to even your rubber gloves, it's a great solution for working in the yard. The best part is, maybe you need to use a container from each. You can easily take out the containers and interchange them. It really makes the Stackable Caddy Organizer so versatile. Another great add-on is the Stack and Go Caddy Wheelbase. It's great if you need to be able to move your storage around, and it easily locks into place. You can stack them as high as you want, and the wheelbase will hold up to 150 pounds. And if you want to take it to go, keep in mind that your handle will support up to 40 pounds. My life is so much less chaotic now that I got organized at home and at work. Deflecto, an innovative storage company, not only makes the Stackable Caddy Organizer, but it also makes all these other great products for getting organized at home and at work. From the stackable tower, to the marker accordion, to the 3-drawer organizer, the stackable cube, the rotating carousel organizer, tilt pins, and even a mounting bar so you can mount your storage. You can find out more about these great products at deflecto.com/crafts. Happy organizing!